Okay, it's Tuesday, May 28th, 2013. We're getting close to the end of the year, about a week and a half left. So here's your objectives for the day. Common Core, 21st century learning skills, those are what we focus on in this class. Content objectives, what you're going to learn, and language, how you're going to learn it. Today you're going to learn by reading 2 informational text articles, learning some academic vocabulary, and then answering what are called text-dependent questions in the Moodle system. So let's go ahead and take a look at the story that we're reading about today. A cat is his co-pilot. Watch it. So a guy's name is Rudy Saldia. He's from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and he's famous for riding on his bicycle around town with his cat on his shoulder. So he's been doing that for a while, and eventually he made some of his own videos. One of them got on YouTube, now has 1.2 million views, and so the camera company called GoPro, they teamed up with him, and now he rides around with a camera on his helmet and records it all and puts it on YouTube. So here's your academic vocabulary: urban, garnered, courier, zen, critical thinking challenge, some text-dependent questions, and then story 2. Veterinarians remove 4-pound hairball from a 400-pound tiger. So a tiger that weighs 400 pounds had a 4-pound hairball. What a hairball is, when they lick their fur, the hair goes into their stomach or their throat. They usually throw it up like cats do, but this one, it got stuck in the throat. And they noticed, because the tiger hadn't been eating in a while, so they ran a scope down his throat and found out that he had a big hairball in the stomach. So they surgically removed that, and we're going to see a video about it that shows about it. Okay, vocabulary: hairball, procedure, obstruction, critical thinking challenge, and some text-dependent questions, and a map of the happened in the Tampa area in the city of St. Petersburg. So this is what's called the Tampa Bay area in the state of Florida, and your glossary. So that's our stories for the day. Let's go ahead and look into Moodle real quick. Word of the week. Let's take a look at your word of the week. Word is refrain. Definition: to stop yourself from doing something that you want to do. And my sentence is: I wish students would refrain from chewing gum in my class. And there's the thinking map that explains the word, or words that are associated with it. And so, let's go back into Moodle real quick. Word of the week. Here's your 2 videos, and when you're done with all your work, daily quiz in Moodle. Okay, let's talk about tomorrow and Thursday. Tomorrow and Thursday, you're going to be making a poster. You're going to have to think through all the different things we learned during the year of your favorite story. Then once you decide that, you're going to let me know. I'm going to print it out for you, and then you're going to make a poster showing your favorite story, all about it. You're going to have to do a vocabulary word and other things on it, which I'll give you that criteria on Wednesday and Thursday. But start thinking about it now. Start thinking about your favorite story so you can get ready for Wednesday and Thursday's work also.